Hello everyone. Today, we'll explore the world of keyboard shortcuts and how they can enhance your computing experience. Keyboard shortcuts are a powerful tool that can save you time, increase productivity, and make navigating your computer a breeze. Let's dive in. Let's now explore some commonly used shortcut keys that can make your life easier. 1. ctrl+C, copy. This shortcut allows you to copy selected text or items to the clipboard, ready to be pasted elsewhere. 2. ctrl+V, paste. Use this shortcut to paste the copied text or items from the clipboard into a document or application. 3. ctrl+Z, undo. Made a mistake? This shortcut lets you quickly undo the previous action and revert to the previous state. 4. ctrl+S, save. Pressing these keys simultaneously allows you to save your work without navigating through menus. 5. ctrl+F, find. When you need to search for a specific word or phrase in a document or web page, this shortcut opens the find function. 6. ctrl+A, select all. Need to select everything in a document or folder? This shortcut saves you from manually selecting each item. 7. Alt+Tab, switch windows. Quickly switch between open windows or applications without using the mouse. 8. Windows key plus D, show desktop. Pressing this combination minimizes all open windows and shows the desktop, allowing for easy access to files and shortcuts. 9. ctrl+X, cut. Similar to copying, this shortcut cuts selected text or items and removes them from their original location, ready to be pasted elsewhere. 10. ctrl+B, bold. This shortcut allows you to quickly apply bold formatting to selected text in word processors, text editors, or design software. 11. ctrl+I, italicize. Use this shortcut to quickly apply italic formatting to selected text. 12. ctrl+U, underline. Pressing these keys simultaneously underlines selected text, providing emphasis or indicating links in certain applications. 13. ctrl+P, print. When you want to print a document or page, this shortcut opens the print dialog, saving you the hassle of navigating through menus. 14. ctrl+F5, hard refresh. In web browsers, this shortcut performs a hard refresh, bypassing the cache and reloading the page from the server. 15. Windows key ++ or minus, magnifier. This shortcut performs zoom in and zoom out. 16. ctrl+shift escape, open task manager. When you need to manage or close running applications, this shortcut opens the task manager in Windows, allowing you to monitor processes and system performance. 17. ctrl+shift+T, reopen closed tab. Accidentally closed a tab in your web browser? This shortcut reopens the most recently closed tab. 18. Windows key + print screen, screen short. Pressing these keys simultaneously takes a screenshot on an active window or application. 19. ctrl+alt+delete, open system security options. This popular shortcut in Windows opens a screen with options like locking the computer, signing out, switching users, or opening the task manager. 20. Windows key +L, lock computer. Pressing these keys simultaneously locks your computer, requiring a password to log back in and providing security when stepping away from your desk. Thank you for watching this video. If you like our content, please make sure to subscribe to our channel.